So really within just a couple minutes here, I got a full script done, okay, with just a couple keywords. I asked my AI bot, hey, give me some good topics to do a video about, okay. So basically my Ask YouTube AI did the research for me, gave me some ideas. I'm going to do it on this topic here. So I'm going to copy this. I save these to notes, and then I'm going to start working on getting a script ready. So I'm going to come here to the left hand side, go to the full script, and I'm simply just going to paste Amy Schumer's Brooklyn Heights brownstone sold, and I'm going to do a long form news commentary script. So I'm going to generate a full script here. Okay, and while that's going on, we can come up to the title generator and start working on some title topics as well. So I'm going to put Amy Schumer's Brooklyn Heights brownstone sold, and I'm going to go ahead and start generating titles. And I'm going to come here, and it carried over already, and it generates some keywords here. So you don't have to wait for the full script to run. But while those are running, let's come back down to the full script. All right, and it gives us a hook here. Hollywood comedian Amy Schumer is making headlines once again, but this time the laughter is turned to gas as her iconic Brooklyn Heights brownstone sells for millions below asking price, all while her personal life takes dramatic, unexpected turns. So this is all live, up-to-date info on Amy Schumer. Her townhome just sold recently. So this is going to give us a full script here, and what our tool does is it uses a live Google search, so it's going to make sure that everything's accurate and up to date on your topic. And once again, I'm doing this for my particular channel, so you can prompt it for your channel as well. So let's come back up to the title generator. So this generated 5 great titles for us. It's going to rank them here. So any of these titles are going to work for this particular video because this is a trending topic. So I'll probably use one of these here, but I don't know which one yet, so I'm going to save all those to notes. We have our description and keywords, so it generated a full description for us. Okay, we can save that to notes. It gave us all the long tail keywords we need. The short tail keywords gave us a suggested file name. And the one last thing I didn't do, let's generate a thumbnail concept. For a celebrity video, most likely I'll have a picture of the Brooklyn brownstone with Amy Schumer in front of it. So really within just a couple minutes here, I got a full script done, okay, with just a couple keywords. I asked my AI bot, hey, give me some good topics to do a video about, okay, and then I came up to our title generator. I have 5 great titles. Any of these will work on YouTube